Hey everyone, it's me Lisa, and I just wanted to do a fun video on how I make my frog-eyed salad, or some people call it fruit salad. Outside of art and creating content and spending time with my family, I also love to cook. Come on and let's check it out. So we have 1 cup of sugar total, 2 1/2 teaspoons of salt, I use gluten-free flour. It's 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. If you like gluten-free, you don't have to do gluten-free. For me, I like the cane sugar, and I like to just use 1/2 teaspoon. Just gives it a little more sweetness than the other one. Okay, and then it's going to be 3/4 of pineapple juice. And you're gonna put it all in this saucepan. But that's not all. Then we have 2 eggs that we're gonna put in there. Alright, now over medium heat, everything we combined, the sugar, the salt, the flour, the pineapple juice, and I added some extra cane sugar, just like 1/2 teaspoon, and now the eggs. You're gonna combine it all in the saucepan. You're gonna turn on your heat to medium, and you're gonna kind of stir it in the saucepan. And then, FYI, I didn't use unsweetened pineapple juice. I know that a lot of recipes do recommend the unsweetened. I think it just really depends on your preference. I just use regular pineapple juice from the can. While that is cooking, you can begin to boil your water for your pasta that's going to go in there.